Hello and welcome to Someka. In this video, I'm gonna show you our Mexico State's geographical heat map generator. This reduced template helps you to display Mexico State's data with heat map easily. Let's dive into details of the template, but before that, if you need some assistance from the page, you can follow our instructions by clicking turn on here from this box, or use without instructions if you are comfortable. Basically, our template has three main sections. The first section is heat map. After receiving your information from data section, you can see the final view of the heat map from there. The second one is data section on the right. You can input your values by copy-paste or manually. This is the population information and the abbreviations of the Mexico states just as an example, but you can replace with your own data. And also, you can type your title here. In the settings section, we can make some changes about how our heat map is seen to us. It will be applied to the map when you click Painted button. First thing about this section is color palette. We have defined 5 color densities to here that you can select, but if you want to set different color on the heat map, you can change from yours. For example, click one of the cells, then go to the Home tab and change it from this box. The other one that you can change is data range. Thanks to this tool, you will define your value limits. Mexico states will be painted according to your limitation. Very easy. After that, in color and legend settings part, you can also choose any color for your background and the state borders. You have 3 options in here: white, gray and black. And if you don't have data for some states, and when the data is not range of the limitation, you can paint them gray, for example. About legend display, some of you want to show legend on the heat map like this, or some of you don't want to see anything on the heat map. It's your choice. You can change it from there. Final step is text settings. If you don't want to see anything on the heat map, you can select no text, or want to see state's name on it, select state names. And when you click display text, you will see your text part on the heat map. And lastly, you can change your font size from here. All these are applied to the map when you click Painted button. Now, let's create Mexico heat map by doing together step by step. I will just go enter Excel workbook that I have copied here before. Mexico State's GDP rate of 2014 here. I've sorted them alphabetically, and I'm going to take it from there and paste here a value to prevent any confusion about my data. Now here, I will define my data range according to my current values. Therefore, I calculated my minimum and maximum values of my data to easily set limitations. Again, I will copy of them and paste here as a value again. And from here, I want to set red color and black border color, and I will use the abbreviations of the states. Now I'm ready to paint it. Here, the map is ready. You can just copy or paste this section for your presentations. Also, you can just export as a PDF by clicking this button. You will see the final view of the heat map from there. You can print it for your reports. And last thing I want to mention is, all the state shapes are editable, but firstly, you should go to the review section, unprotect sheet. You will be warned like this: write here your password. You will receive via email after download process. Yes, you can move the states right now. Movie site, resize it and paint it purple, for example. And I can just copy and paste just this shape into my PowerPoint slide, Excel workbooks and Word files. Press. This is ready to use Mexico State's heat map for your presentations, reports or slide. That's all. You can create your own heat map within a few minutes. Thanks for watching and do not forget to check our other templates from Someka website. Thank you.